Hello everyone, this is Imran Ali here. Welcome back to our channel. And today we are going to talk about how to build your own free email marketing website. So right now you can see we are at motic.org. It's just like MailChimp, but the big difference is this is free and MailChimp is not. And this is how this feature will allow us to we can automate our marketing and obviously email marketing. So on the top you can see that supporting the world's largest open source marketing automation project. 200,000 plus organization are like using Motic, 35 plus languages and 1,000 plus community contributor. You can see the featured partners over here and every single thing else. But what we are going to do, we are going to go at download releases, Motic releases. What download releases, Motic releases? Click on that, and download this one, latest stable release. And once you download this, it would be a zip file. So just open that folder. That's it. After that, I will show you what is going to happen. So after downloading every single thing, and you need to go at Hostinger because Hostinger is where we are going to work on, and there's a separate tutorial for that Hostinger. So I'm not going to explain that how you can host your website and every single thing else. So once we are here, you need to choose your domain, obviously, your website actually. So you can add website from over here and also choose from multiple websites from over here. Choose that and go to your dashboard. Once you are at your dashboard, you can see on the left side add domain, subdomain, and then go to create a subdomain. Why subdomain? Because obviously email would be our subdomain and we are creating it on Hostinger right now. So this is a like a beginner process, so just go ahead and do that. And obviously just write your subdomain like email dot etc, whatever your domain is. So go ahead and do that. After that, what you need to do is you need to go at files and files manager. Here you are going to select and see where is your email like subdomain and it has been created or not. You need to open your file manager. After clicking on file manager, you will end up over here and find your email folder over here. As you can see, why this is showing us email, because we choose that domain. Obviously these all are domains, right? All of that dash dev dash emails. So that's why they are showing like this. So once you click on this email, you will end up over here. The next thing what you need to do, you can see this default.php. You need to delete that and upload that file which we have downloaded from Motic. Okay, after downloading that after uploading that to your email folder, you need to extract that. And after extracting, go back to your dashboard, go back to your on the left side you can see all of these menu. You can see database, uh, mysql databases, and enter your details over here. So you need to create this. You will know why I'm saying this, because in future you are going to enter this or make your password, your username, SQL username, and SQL database name. After that, go to email. On the left side you can see, and add emails. Just it's a very simple process. I don't want to show you that, but just click on emails, email account, and add email. That's it. After that, it will take you right over here, motic.com, and Motic is asking you every single thing which you have done it, like have you done in the past. So enter your details like database driver, uh, database host, database port, database name, and etc, every single thing over here. Enter the detail. Next thing is admin username, admin password, first name, last name, email address, It's everything which we have put that on us hosting us. So this is what Motec is asking for. That's why we have came through that process. After that, you can see Motec installation. This is the last step. Email configuration. Enter your details, every single thing, your domain, mail transport, and who should be the email be sent as. So all of that, just enter those details. Next step, and that's it. From here you can just log in, and you will end up you will end up in the Motic dashboard. So after logging in, you can see on the left side there are menus, multiple menus over here, but I'm not going to explain everything. What you need to do, you need to create your email marketing, right? Go to components, go to form, and there will be two options over there, which would be standalone and campaign form. So if you want to go standalone, go ahead and click on that. You can just write down your name, your attributes, and successful submit action, redirect URL message, enter your details, description, and on the right you can categorize that, publish at that date time, like you can just schedule it if you want, and that's it. After that, go to fields, add your details, and uh, next thing what you need to do is go back to your forms, click on forms, and you will end up over here, and stay here, don't close this. All right, why? Because we need to go at WordPress. So after WordPress, obviously if you have a website on WordPress, so you need to go at WordPress, and after going at WordPress, enter your plugins. And what would be the plugin is Motic, and search it. Obviously after installing it, I'm just gonna do it for you guys, just to show you like how it will, like how you can copy that URL. After that, go to your, where is it, Motic settings, and here we are. So this is where you are going to post um, you know this URL. So this URL would go over here. So that's how you know that how you can create your you know how you can fetch emails, and how you can fetch all those emails on your Motic. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you understand every single thing, and it might be very confusing, but if you watch this video again, you will understand every single thing. Thank you for watching this video, and please leave a like and subscribe. Bye bye.